Hey, so you're back. The cool thing about these shutters is they've been tested. They call it a green test. So I know there's a lot of people out there that have brand new babies. They're worried about the fumes or chemicals that are emitting from different products that they put in their home. Guess what? Not polypore shutters. Polypore shutters have been tested. There's like 22 different tests. I don't know them all, but I know for a fact that they did not emit any kind of fume or any kind of chemical. Also, it takes 12.8 pounds of pressure to break one of these. I can't hang off it because I'm like 280 pounds. But I tell you what, your kid or your dog, if they were to go and get on it, they will not break it. Okay, so good thing about these shutters, they're flame retardant. One of the tests, I believe, is one of 5 of the most important tests that's on this door, on these shutters. They actually put these shutters under or on top of a flame, pull the flame away, they do not burn. Flame retardant, awesome, awesome product. The next thing about these, our shutters have aluminum core, which a lot of shutters out there do, but the awesome thing about our shutters, we don't shove the aluminum core in. What we do is we build around our aluminum core. You see the aluminum core there. And then they also have aluminum frame inside, so it makes it more stronger, so it's not like flexible. What sets this out from polypore from the wood, you get a 25-year warranty against cracking, chipping, and fading on the polypore. You get a 4-year warranty on the wood. The one benefit wood does have over polypore, I can get you wood stained. I cannot get polypore stained. I can get those in 5 different whites. Also, we've got different frames for your shutters.